Hello friends! How to make pom-poms with a pom-pom maker. If you've ever attempted on making pom-poms without a pom-pom maker, then I'm sure you've encountered quite a bit of trimming and yarn scraps. I know this because I definitely have. In this tutorial, making these pom-poms are so fun and easy, it's completely mess-free. Now before we get started, and if you're new to my channel, and if you'd like to get in on the deets, then go ahead and click that subscribe button below. Now let's get started. For this tutorial, I'm using a 6.8 centimeter Pom Pom Maker, which is about 2.7 inches in diameter. And it is really important to have a really sharp and narrow scissor for this project, and I'll show you why in a minute. Now let me show you what this Pom Pom Maker is all about. It has two sides that opens up, and on each side it has two arms that will hold on to one side of your yarn. To start making our pom-poms, you'll first take your yarn and gently wrap both arms on one side like this. You'll just continue to wrap around the arms evenly across, and you don't necessarily have to wrap all the way to the end. And once you have a sort of flat bottom like this would be a good indication that you have enough yarn here. Now you'll just fold the arms back into place and snip off the remaining yarn like so. Now go ahead and repeat the same thing on the other side. Once you have wrapped enough yarn on the other arm, fold the arms back down to close the loop and snip off the remaining yarn. Now here comes the fun part. With your very sharp scissor, you'll turn the pom-pom maker to the side and you'll insert your scissor between the two arms while using the groove as your guide to cut as straight and evenly as possible. This is a trick to the no messy situation. Look at how nice and fluffy that looks. Now we'll go ahead and repeat the same cutting method on the other side. Now we'll need to tie the pom-poms together. Grab a long piece of yarn, about 20 inches or 50 centimeters in length, and you'll wrap the sides of the pom-pom maker with this yarn. So you'll just place them between the arms all the way around and tie a knot. Make sure to pull your knot tightly. Now you'll turn your pom-pom maker around and we'll work another set of knots. So here I'll be working a double knot just to secure them in place. And once you're done, hold on to the tail and open up the arms by gently pulling them up. Now we'll need to pull our pom-pom maker apart. You'll hold on to the corner of this middle circle here on both sides, and you'll wiggle them slightly and pull them apart. Ta-da! And here is our pretty looking pom-pom. Now to finish off the pom-pom, just trim off any stragglers, and as you can see, there's not much mess to it. And this is how you make pom-poms with a pom-pom maker. And in case you're wondering how to assemble the Pom Pom Maker back together, all you have to do is just fit the two ends together like this. And once you hear a click, that should be it. And you should be able to close the arms back to place. Here are the 4 sets of Pom Pom Maker that I mentioned earlier, ranging in size 8.8 centimeters down to 3.8 centimeters. I've placed the link on where I got them in the description box below. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and if it was, do give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so yet. Bye for now!